Hello, artist! Today we are going to be talking about coloring our optical illusion art. Now, the first thing you should have done is taken your eraser and go back and erase all the parts of your artwork that still show pencil. We didn't have to just trace over the missed pencil parts with our Sharpie because we can always erase them. Once our art is nice and cleaned up, we are going to be coloring. So today we're talking about gradients. A gradient is when you have a color that goes from dark to light. This is also sometimes called ombre, and that might be a term you're more familiar with. Usually it's talked about hair or maybe a phone background or a computer background, but we are talking about art gradients today. So the first thing you're going to do is choose a color. And I'm going to choose green first. And when I choose my colors for my crayons, I need a dark version of that color and a light version of that color. And to do a gradient, all you need to do is take your dark version first and go on the edges, choose one section, and go on the edges where the black lines are. Start by pushing a little hard with your crayon, not hard enough to break the crayon, but you're going to push a little harder, and then you're going to go lighter, lighter, lighter until you're barely touching the paper. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, going dark at the edge and going lighter, 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 lifting your hand up, doing less pressure until you're barely touching the paper with your crayon. Then you take your lighter crayon and you just color the whole section. And we don't need to worry about pressure with the lighter crayon because we're just coloring normal, coloring the whole section green. And as you do this, you'll see that the second kind of green, or the second color you're using, is blending the first color you did. So even though I already had green over here, I'm just going to color over top of it to blend them in. Now we're doing a pattern here. So I went pink, green, pink, green. Now I'm going to do pink again. Same thing as the green. It's just the same pressure with your hands with new colors. So we start dark at the edge, lifting our hand up, going lighter, lighter, lighter as we come in. Go to the other side, same thing, dark on the edge, going lighter, lighter, lighter as we come in, and then taking our second color and coloring the whole section again. And just as before, the second color, we don't need to worry about the pressure. We don't need to worry about lifting our hand up. We just color the whole section to help it blend. And we're going to do this down our entire paper. And as you can see, it's starting to look like this line is curving up. And that's really cool. When we do this, our lines are going to be every other. And then we're going to choose two new colors for the next section. So our paper is going to be filled with colors, super bright, super fun. And we're going to be using a lot of fun colors. You're going to have so much fun making this. Bye!